Hey everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we have Doflamingo. Doflamingo. Doflamingo? Doflamingo? I think it's Doflamingo. From One Piece. So we're on a landscape orientation page. Use a pencil and hit pause if I go too fast. So we're going to start with sunglasses. So we're up just at in the top half of my page, just up here. Center of his head will be about the middle line, and we're just going to start with those curving sunglasses lines that comes across like so and kind of spikes up at the end. Okay, so they're kind of funky shades. They have a bit of a spike just there at the end, and then we'll bring it down like this. So it comes down, curves up and down again to the bottom, and kind of curves around here. So it kind of looks like a flame or something. So it has a rim inside, so you just go around that again. Same sort of line on the outside as we have on the inside. Okay? And in there is like red and stuff. So we have a connector going across his nose, just here. So two lines just going across like so. Okay? Like that, and then next line, same thing, same shape for his glasses, comes up like so, and then it's going to come down the other side, around, back under, and connect it to there, like that. And then inside again, same sort of line, double, just inside here, around like that. So his nose then, so we just have two lines coming down like so, just there, and then we have an arrow just at the bottom, going up like that. Maybe like a line on the side there, like so. So he's got some frown lines as well, just on his forehead here, like this kind of thing, like so. And like a line for his temple, like the sides of his head, just like here. Gives him more of a evil look, I think. So his mouth then touches his nose, so we bring it across like so first. Big evil grin, so we're going to go up the side like that, up the side like that, and then we'll bring it down to show where his teeth are. So we go down this way, down the other side, and then we'll bring it over. So we do the teeth inside. So we just do a middle line for the teeth. Comes across like so. Like that. So it kind of looks like lips now. But to make it look like teeth, all we got to do is add those big One Piece teeth like that. Just lines, vertical lines going down like so. And the ones in the middle are always the biggest. And they get smaller as we go away. Okay, and then we've lines just for his cheeks, just here, like that. Bottom lip line, just two bumpy lines like that. It's like a stretched out W, just there. And then we'll add his chin, so like kind of a square chin, just here. So you can check your proportions now. So from the middle of his glasses to his nose is about the same as his nose to his chin. So the nose is halfway between the eyes and the chin, and his bottom lip is halfway. This line is halfway between the nose and the chin. So this and this are the same distance. Approximately about that. Doesn't have to be exact, but you just want your nose to be about halfway between here and here, and the bottom lip to be about halfway between here and here. So once you get that, then you can do the jaw. So you go up the side, that. And stop about underneath his glasses, you know, right underneath the glasses. You could use your pencil to check if you're underneath just the side of his glasses there. You want to stop there and then change direction and go up the side of his face. See that? Like so. And then we've got his ears, that just at the top of those lines, right? The ears will come around just here, like so, and an ear on the other side here, like that. So I'm stopping here because he's got a piercing. So we just do a little loop line, like that, coming around here as well. Kind of looks like a bean or something. And then we add bones and ligaments inside his ears. Easiest way to do this is just a letter J. Like this kind of thing, you know? That's always the easiest. But of course, you can make it much more complicated, as complicated as you want, and add more lines, more bumps and things, just to make it look a bit more ear-like. But no anime or artist does them the same. They're always different. Right, so the lines that go in behind his ear then, so we just have these two lines coming for his glasses, just going behind his ear. Just there. And then his hair. So zigzag, pretty easy. Hair spikes, 3 of them there. 1, 2, 3. 2 maybe on that side. And then we go up a bit taller and then we go across, right? So we're going up to there and then we go up to here. So we're about like, say if he had eyebrows, so say where his eyebrows are, just here. So up to about there. The eyes are about halfway, see this? So this distance is about the same as to the top where his hair would be, right? So here, eyes to chin is the same as eyes to his hairline, okay? Just there. So once you get that, we'll add some spikes coming down for his fringe, just like this. So you don't have to do them exactly like mine, you just gotta get them sort of spiky just coming across, okay? And hair coming up and around his head, simple as well, just like this. Blonde hair spikes going up and around, like so. And you just keep going around like that. Zigzags spiking around. All the way down to his ear and into there. So then so he's got that big fur thing. I couldn't fit like the whole thing because it's huge, so it'll run off the side of my page, right? But if you have more room, of course, you could just finish it off. But I just want to focus on his face mostly, and like some of his body. So fur. So let's see. So we'll do one. So like coming on his neck, say here. So like, say like the back of his neck, like that. And then there'll be a spike that comes down onto his shoulder, just here. Like that kind of thing. And then over here, the spike one down here. So they don't have to be in the same place, see? So they can be small, they don't have to be the same on both sides. You know, one bigger than the other, doesn't have to be the same. Another spike here, like that. Another spike then, say here. Like this kind of thing. And then his jacket will come down into here. So, comes in like so, and then this side comes in like this, okay? And then we go straight down. off the page. Okay. And then there's like a couple of buttons. One, two, oh, one more. Just there. And then we've anatomy in here, right? So we got neckline, just here. Neckline here. And then neckline on the other side. Comes down like so. Comes into maybe where the bottom of his throat would be, you know? Maybe another line just there for that. And then like his Adam's apple, sort of some hatching, just kind of things there. And then his collarbones. So your collarbones connect just where your neck muscles come down, right? So your collarbones will come across like so. Go up across, out to his shoulder, because your collarbone connects this area out to your shoulder, okay? And then this comes out like so. And maybe another neckline just here. Maybe there too. Chest muscles, just do the center line first, it's easiest. And then we'll bring it across like that. And bring it across the other side like so. And then we might have an ab muscle just here. Something maybe coming across just there like that. Okay, we'll just do the rest of that fur then. So, coming down on his body here, so we have another one. Just a lot of these spiking lines, right? Coming down this way. Spiking, coming that way. Coming there. Another one here. And then a big one comes down off my page. This would go to a spike down off my page. If you had room, you could bring it down. And we can just see his armpit just in here. So just like a line, say here and there. Like a upside down letter Y. And some folds just for his clothes there. So the rest of the fur comes out from the back of his head on this side. So it comes to here. Continue the spiking motions. Going this way. Another one here. Into there. Another one. There. There. You just don't have to be exactly in the same places as mine. You just want to get that flowy sort of spiking movement. That's all you got to worry about, really. This one will go off my page there. And will it come back in somewhere? Maybe there. And then another one will go off that way. And then you could add some random spikes going down. You know, as much as you wanted, really. Like flowing down. Texture lines just going that way. And then we'll do pretty much the same thing over here. So we got some more spikes coming down his body here. Like that. Another one going up like so. That kind of thing. And then one more sticking down here. Then we can see his arm on this side, so it like bumps down this way. And the inside of his arm just here, so like his armpit, like we did on this side. So that's his armpit there. And this is his armpit on this side. So like it goes down that way. And then we've more fur. So we'll go back up to the top of his head and add some more fur coming out from behind here. There. Another one coming across here. Back up. back down, back up, back down. More lines coming down, another line going that way. Maybe another line coming back in, and then you can add some randoms going down, back up here. Much as you want, but I'll leave it there. So, there you go. That is how to draw Doflamingo. Doflamingo. Doflamingo? Don't know how to say it. Hope it was helpful. As usual, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.